Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI SE 95 PS. Now, the silver stunner is in great shape and it has a top spec, including an automatic post-collision braking system, a hydraulic brake assist, hill hold control, a driver alert system, an anti-lock braking system, and these 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels. Now, the boot's a good size, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay, a composition media system, and Volkswagen Connect. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.